Compensating error. Okay, so what does it mean? An error is set off by another error. Okay, so what is the error? The purchaser's account had been undercast by 300 and the sales account had been undercast by $300. What does it mean, undercast? What does it mean? When you take the total is less by 300. When you balance off your ledger accounts to transfer it to the trial balance, you need to balance the ledger accounts, no? So you have purchasers account. Okay, you have purchasers account and sales account. So you need to transfer. So under balancing of, we discussed, no, you balance and you transfer it to the trial balance. So when you balance this account, the purchasers account, the balance is undercast by 300, less by 300. And also sales account is also less by 300. For example, let's say now you have done some purchases. Can you see the screen? Purchases, let's say on creditor, okay? So you are purchasing certain items. So let's say 500 debit, 500 credit, okay? And 300 debit, 300 credit. Then again, let's say 300 debit, 300 credit. Now you need to transfer this to the trial balance, right? So when you add, let's say you are adding 8, 9, 10, 11, okay? Instead of 1100, you add this as 1400. And your creditors balance is 1100, correct? Okay, so when you go to your trial balance, so I'll just take a small trial balance here just to explain this concept. Okay, this is your trial balance. Okay, so what you have done, the purchasers account how much? 1400. And creditor how much? You are taking 1100, right? So what has happened? This is undercast. Okay, sorry, we will take undercast 1100, no, so we'll take this as 900. Okay, undercast, this is 1900. Okay, so what has happened? When you take the total of purchase account, instead of 1100, what you have done? You have taken the total as 900. You got it? It's undercast by how much? Sorry, it's not 800, right? Sorry, 800. Sorry, yeah, it should be 800. Okay, so undercast by 300. Is that clear? Because when you take the total of purchases account to transfer it to your trial balance, when you transfer to the trial balance, you need to take the total, no? Take the total and you put it on the debit side. So when you took the balance, the total is taken as 800, your purchases, whereas creditors balance is 1100. So therefore, it is obvious your trial balance is not balancing, right? Here 800, this is 1100. Okay. Now, you have done a similar error in another account. What is that? Okay, we'll take another account. The similar error in the sales account. So, let's say this is your sales account, this is your debtors account. This is sales, right? So you have done some certain transactions. Okay, so here sales credit 500, debtors debit 500. Okay, and again let's say 300 and 300. When you took the total of sales account, it should be 800, no? So you have taken as 500, whereas debtors balance is 800. Okay, so when you take the trial balance, when you prepare the trial balance, you will take debtors 800 and sales how much? 500, because your sales account is undercast by how much? 300. Now when you take the trial balance, now will it balance? 800, 800, 1600, 1100 plus 500, 1600. See what has happened. Your trial balance is balancing. However, you have done two errors, equal errors. What is the error you have made? The accountant, when he takes the purchaser's account, okay, instead of taking 1100, he took 800. He took only 800. It was undercast by 300. So therefore, the purchaser's account is 800, whereas creditor's account is 1100. And he has made a similar error, okay, in the sales account. Instead of taking the sales balance as 800, he has taken it as how much? 500. Okay, and the debtors account he has taken correctly. Okay, so what is the error? The error is here, the purchaser's account and sales account. What is the error? The purchaser's account had been undercast by 300 and sales account had been undercast by 300. Similar error, okay, offset by another error. Okay, so it's offsetting. So purchaser's account undercast by 300, it's a debit entry, and sales account is a credit entry. A credit entry also undercast by 300, the total. Therefore, when you take the trial balance, the debit side is 1600 and credit side is 1600. The trial balance is balancing, but there is an error. So this is what I told you at the beginning. These are the errors that will not reflect in the trial balance. Okay. So in order to rectify this, what is the entry that you should do? In order to make this, the purchases account 1100 and sales account 800, what you should do? Simply you debit your purchases account by 300 and credit your sales account by 300. Thereby you will get 1100 and 1000. Sorry, thereby this will be 800 and this will be 1100. Is that clear? Okay, so therefore what you should do? The purchases account should be debited by 300 and sales account should be credited by 300. Is that clear? Okay, so these kind of errors are known as compensating error. An error is set off by another error. You have made one error in the purchases account. What is the purchases account error you have made? You have undercast the purchases account by 300, and on the other hand, sales account is also less by 300. So therefore, to correct this, what you should do, you debit purchases so that the purchases will be 1100 and you credit sales account, the sales will be 800. So this is the, what do you call, the rectification entry that you have to make. Okay, now next one. Errors of omission is very simple. Errors of omission means when a transaction is completely omitted from the books. Okay, so what does it mean? You have completely omitted. If you have omitted, what you should do? If you have omitted, what you should do? You should record it. You have to record the transaction from the beginning. You understand? So, goods sold on credit to Kent, $500 had not been recorded in the books. Okay, so goods sold on credit to Kent, $500 had not been recorded in the books. So what you should do? You have to record the transaction. How do you record the transaction? So which account to be debited, which account to be credited now? Samira? Kent account should be? Yeah, he is our debtor, no? So Kent account should be debited 500 and sales account should be credited 500 because you have not recorded, you have completely omitted. So now you are recording it. Kent debtor debit, sales account credit 500. Is that clear? Okay. Then the last one, errors of commission. So what is errors of commission? When a correct amount is entered but in the wrong person's account. Okay, this is also very easy. It's like what do you call a principal error. Okay, the principal error, what we did is the same thing you need to do. Cash received from R. Robert, 800, entered correctly in the cash book, but it was entered by mistake in the account of G. Robert. What has happened? You have received, the company has received money from R. Robert. So when you receive cash, what you should do? You have to debit your cash account, no? You debit cash account 800. You should have credited R. Roberts, right? But instead of crediting R. Roberts, what the accountant has done? He has debited to G. Roberts account 800. So this is a wrong entry. This is correct entry. But still you have the debit entry and the credit entry. Trial balance will balance. Okay. So therefore, to rectify this, what you should do? You debit his account 800 and you debit R. Roberts account. Sorry, credit, yes. So G. Robert, to make this account 0, you need to debit his account 800 and R. Robert should be credited 800. Very simple. So this is known as errors of commission. Is that clear? Okay. So these are the types of errors we discussed. What is the acronym? You can remember this? Top rock.
Top rock.
Okay. So top rock. Transposition error, original entry, principal error, reversal of entries, omission, compensating error, and commission. Okay, please go through this. There is a question quickly. Complete the following table to show the type of error in each case. The first one, I need the answer from Shenara. A sale of goods on credit, 350, to Izzet Malik, had not been recorded in the books. What is the error? Very
Errors
easy.
of omission.
Exactly. So errors of omission. Very good. Samira, next one. A check received from L. Payne, a debtor, had been entered in the accounts as 182 instead of correct figure 128. Is that correct, Shanara?
I didn't hear what she said, uncle.
Errors of transposition. Is that correct?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Why yes? Why it is yes, Shanara?
Because the numbers are switched, like the backwards.
Yeah.
I mean,
Sequence is wrong, no? So therefore it is errors of transposition. Position. Check the spelling. Huh? Last one. Bhashini is unfortunately she did not join. Okay. A payment to R. Charles, a supplier, 732 had been entered in the accounts of R. Charters. Shenara.
errors of commission.
Errors of commission. Very good. So you understood the topic, right? Okay, errors of commission. Very good. So I picked only 3 questions. What I will do, I will select some past paper questions, okay, and we will continue next week.